Next up, YouTube Music is preparing to replace Google Play Music. So I don't know if you were ever a Google Play music user. But we have talked about the prevalence of YouTube Music and the fact that we all use it here in the office. Google Play Music, I did actually have a subscription prior to YouTube Music coming along. And up until this day, still when I trigger certain aspects of Android Auto in the car, it will bring up the Google Play player instead of YouTube Music. Unless I say to Assistant, play certain song in YouTube Music, then it'll come up in YouTube. But if I just say play a song, it will default to Google Play Music in most cases. So anyway, I'm a long-term user of that, but YouTube has a weird, very confusing offering in this space. What should I have and why? And Play Music existed before YouTube Music, so when did I get moved over, and was I supposed to get rid of the other one? It's still there. I still have it.
Yeah.
So there was this key distinction. YouTube Music never had the ability to load your own records into it, I guess. Your own MP3s and things like this. Maybe you can. But anyway, they're working on adding that feature. An internal version of YouTube Music recently gained the ability to store uploaded albums and songs in your own digital library within Play Music. Now, this is not something that I do at all, but I presume there's a handful of Google Play Music users who are doing this frequently, and as a result have avoided transitioning to YouTube Music because it did not have that feature. Now, the public version does not have this feature yet, but there is this internal version that's in testing right now that does and could mean that the nail in the coffin for Play Music is right around the corner, as it should be, because it's just confusing right now. And it's unnecessary. And Play, where are they using Play anymore? Is the store just the store?
It's still called Play Store?
Is it even called Play Store anymore? It's still called Play Store? Are you sure about that?
Let me just check.
Google Play? It was always Google Play forever. Still Google Play?
Still Play Store.
Okay, so the store being Play, even that I don't really like, because Play implies it's just games. Play to me is like a game or a play button. How do you
App Store?
Apple already has it.
I know, but
I mean, maybe that's why they sat around in a boardroom and they said, Apple's got App Store. What do we got? Like, Play, we're fun. We're going to buy Tesla. We're fun, remember? We're a play. We like to play. Yeah. I don't know, Will. I don't know what they could have came up with. What is Microsoft called? Microsoft calls it Microsoft Store. Couldn't have just been Google Store.
No, it's too wide-ranging.
Google App Store. Anyway,
That is
okay.
too long.
Will's shrugging and he's upset, and he might turn up his microphone another notch if he continues down his path right now. So we all got to watch out. Anyway, it doesn't matter because they need to be done with it, because Google Play Music, Google Play Store, YouTube Music, YouTube, the platform, YouTube, recognizable. Look how friendly that logo is. You're so used to it. The red and white. Oh, a play button? You just want to click it, don't you? So we need to move into the YouTube Music future. As we've talked about in the past, we all use it because of the value it represents, particularly if you get the family plan, which Will has, and shares, and you get the YouTube Premium included with it. So the transition is a long time coming and overdue. And I would just personally, on a personal level, I'd love to just say what song I want in the car and not have to wonder which app is going to open up. Now, granted, I got all kinds of problems with apps. Because when it comes to playing music, it could open Spotify, it could open YouTube Music, or it could open Google Play Music.
Default.
That's what I thought.
Player?
Yeah, that's what I
It
thought.
doesn't do that.
I think Android Auto's got its own mind of its own.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you knew that. Android Auto's got a mind of its own.
Plays when it wants.
That's a good question. There's probably a setting in there. But nonetheless, I don't even want to have it on my phone. Even if there was a way to configure it in which, let's say the problem is completely mine and I could get rid of it, just one less account for me to have, one less app to manage or wonder about or worry about or stare at the icon. Because that's a pre-installed icon on Android. Play Music is next to Play Store and it's just sitting there in a folder. If you're a YouTube Music user, let's be done with it. It's the same thing. $10 a month, premium. You know, the whole story, Will. You got to agree with me on that. You got to.
Oh, yeah.
All right, just a little bit. And by the way, we talked about it in a previous episode, Play Music, or not Play Music, YouTube Music and Premium, 20 million customers. So I don't know what the Google Play Google Play Music customer base looks like, but it's probably already antiquated. What's the other word? Antiquated. Deprecated. I don't know.
Yeah.
Dead in the water. How about that? How you like that?